Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if the start menu automatically closes when you click on it on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I would suggest doing would be to either right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. So once you're in Task Manager, select where it says Run New Task. In the Open field, delete what's in here and type in PowerShell. Select where it says Create this task with administrative privileges and then select OK. Now at this point, you can close out of the Task Manager. I'm going to have a couple of commands in the description of my video. Go ahead and copy the first one and then go up to the top bar of the PowerShell window, right-click on it, select that in, paste that in. Let this run for a moment. Once that's done, go ahead and copy and paste the second command in the description of my video and run it. And give that a moment. And once that is finished as well, go ahead and paste in the third command. This is the System File Checker Utility Scan. Go ahead and run that. Once that has concluded, go ahead and close out of here. And you want to restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully this pointed issue has been resolved. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.